Zoecon Professional Products has a wide line of pheromone type fly trap products. One we're looking at here today is the Terminator Pro. We simply fill the water up to the fill line, add the pheromone attractant that comes with the product. We're at an animal shelter here today where you can see there's a lot of flies flying around. There's already some entering our trap. We can hang this right on the side of the kennel. It is reusable. We can clean this product out. Catches up to 35,000 flies. That's a lot of flies. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we hang it. Simply take our zip tie, affix it to the side of the kennel, and watch the flies enter and die. Another location that we could place the Terminator Pro at would be just outside of the front of the kennels to hang it on a pole right by a line. Flies love to land on the line and rest on the line. Simply hang the Terminator Pro from the pole. It's out of the way of the kennel workers, out of the way of the dogs. Great place to catch flies. It's just that easy.